I was a kid, I remember seeing this Disney movie about this teenager that turns into an Old English sheepdog and then hijacks this badass street rod. And I did the same. Well, not exactly. This 1929 Ford Hot Rod is custom to the hilt. From the fittings and checkerboard undercarriage that runs through to the front firewall, to the 327 Chevy power plant that cranks out 300 horsepower, and a chrome alternator. It's no wonder this midlife crisis cruiser won first in its class at the 2011 Portland Roadster Show. Fix or repair daily. Honk it. Ooh, yeah.
Look Grandma's face.
Blaze it up. Oh, hell yeah. So what year is this?
1929.
1929 Ford, what would you call it? Like a street rod?
Yeah, hot rod, roadster. Era. They didn't have seatbelts back then.
Okay. So people back then. When they had a car crash.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of fatalities.
Okay. Taxi. This is my man Paul. Paul Dawn and I have known each other for a very long time. He is truly my brother from another mother. And we grew up with these cool old cars. His father got he and his brother Pete hooked on classic cars. And so somebody's birthday today. Got the badge to prove it right there. But don't be confused by that 50. That's like my Boy Scout number. So yeah, we're in Portland, Oregon. Heading out for coffee. The weather here, I've been here for 3 weeks now. Well, we took a trip to Yellowstone Park too. But I've been in Portland for 3 weeks, and most of the time it's been so hot here in Portland. And then, wouldn't you know, the day we're going out for a ride in the street rod with no roof and no seat belts. It's misty and raining. It's cooled off big time, hasn't it?
Oh yeah, yeah. It hasn't been like this in months.
Right?
Yep.
So anyhow, that's Portland. Unpredictable. What's this mirror down here for? Upskirts?
That's a heater. There.
Ah, cold summer days. People just do random yoga. We're headed up to Mount Tabor Park. It's one of only 4 extinct volcanoes in the United States in the city limits. Granted, it's been dormant for about 300,000 years.
But that doesn't mean it isn't scary.
Yeah, I love this park. Back over here is where the volcano was. It's back there. It's like an outdoor amphitheater. Cool spot in Mount Tabor Park. Well, thank you for this wonderful drive, dude.
Oh, you're welcome.
This is awesome.
My pleasure.
I may have to pick up one of these for myself. Get between jobs and style in Tokyo. But what happens if the thing breaks down? I know these things never break down.
You gotta have AAA.
Yeah. If there's one thing I learned on this ride, chrome is sexy. I don't care if it's on a shock absorber, a valve cover, air filter, sneaky upskirt heater door, or hubcap. The world would be a lot duller without it. Wouldn't you agree? 1929, is that right? 1929 Ford Chevy Hybrid Street Rock Mofo. Now it's my turn. Paul was gracious enough to let me drive it for one block. Remember, there's kids in the neighborhood. You're the biggest one of them all. A great old friend and a great old car. What a ride. It's a blast. Oh man, what a way to celebrate your 30th birthday. In a hot rod with one of your best friends, your brother from another mother. Don't get no better than that. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, click those likes, keep the comments coming, and while you're at it, click that bell for instant gratification. We appreciate your support. Now go on, be good humans, do it! One last thing, if you're interested in becoming a Patreon supporter, be sure and check out the link in the description of this video, or click the icon up above.
Ciao.